My name is Dr. Chris Reyes. I'm the CTO, Chief Technology Officer of Material Hybrid Manufacturing. We are an advanced manufacturing company. We manufacture our own advanced materials, and we build our own advanced machines that turn those materials into functional objects, such as batteries. The idea for the 3D printed battery grew out of my PhD thesis, where I was one of the first in the world to 3D print a lithium-ion battery. One of the key differentiators of our batteries from other batteries is that we do not use a current collector. The special sauce that allows us to eliminate the current collector also allows us to cram more battery material where others can't. So other batteries have a lot of non-battery material in there. We replace that with active battery material. So per volume, we're able to stuff more battery material in there so we can have more charge capacity per volume. I learned about Star Park as a possible home for material actually during my undergraduate degree, when Star Park was first starting out. I kept in contact with them, and when it was time to start my company, they actually reached out to me, letting me know that they had startup space available. Material works with Star Park and Texas State University by hiring interns and undergraduates. I currently employ 2 undergraduates as interns. They're engineering interns. I have a PhD chemist from Texas State. And so we have a really good synergy and a really good cycle of PhD candidates as well as undergraduates that work with us. Texas State has a great presence in the world of material science and engineering, and it's only getting stronger. Partnering with Star Park allows them to enter the commercial sector and rapidly increase their throughput of producing research that goes into action and then getting students that actually get to work into the field. And I believe because of that, they're going to climb very quickly.